Most people get this wrong. They think Zipto is just another payday or buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it's a hybrid platform combining early wage access, split payments, and budgeting tools in one place. When used responsibly, Zipto can help manage short-term cash flow without falling into a debt trap. Here's how Zipto works. The app allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before your official payday, often within a few hours. On top of that, eligible purchases can be split into smaller, manageable installments over several weeks. Instead of charging traditional interest, Zipto uses a flat, predictable fee per advance or split payment, making it easier to plan your budget. Zipto also includes dashboards, notifications, and repayment reminders. These features help you track spending, see upcoming payments, and stay on top of your finances. The downside? Overusing Zipto can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up quickly, and relying on the app too much may mask deeper financial issues instead of solving them. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances you can repay on time. 2. Enable repayment reminders. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on Zipto. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. If your income is inconsistent or repayment discipline is weak, Zipto could cost more than it saves. In conclusion, Zipto in 2026 is a convenient tool, but only when used wisely. Track your fees, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary solution rather than a long-term fix. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and practical money tips.